Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to add a Telegram bot on Telegram. And for this we go to the search bar and there we want to search for bot fodder. Then tap on that name and from here we want to start a chat. Alright, you will see a lot of options just right here, but we want to create a new bot, so we need to do /new bot. Then tap on new bot. And he will says, alright, a new bot. How are we going to call it? Now, for me, it's the help me out bot. So then fill in that. Then after that, give it a username, something like Tommy helps bot. Now that sounds awesome. Then send that. And after this, you will see this huge message. Now after this we can tap on our bot by tapping on this link just right here. You will see that we have our bot just right here. Alright, and from here it's important to add your bot in a group, and we can do that by tapping on our bot, tap on his name, add to group chat or channel, and then add him to a group where you want to have him. Then you can select the things that your bot is allowed to change or to add or whatever you want. And after that, if we tap on add bot as admin, add as admin, cancel back, we just invited the bot in our group, and if you can see, our bot got added in this group. Alright, this is how you can add a bot on Telegram, and if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.